Hey guys, it's Riley McMustache and welcome back to another fabulous video. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be teaching all of you how to make a DIY book save. So I got no real requests to do this, I just felt like doing it. So this video would have been up a lot sooner if I hadn't failed horrendously yesterday in the making of this, but whatever. So I already have actually done this. So I'm just going to be telling you guys how to do it rather than showing you because this took quite a while. But yeah, I'll just jump right into it and tell you guys what you need to do. So the first thing that you guys will need is, of course, your book. Mine is by Daniel Silva. It is Portrait of a Spy. And make sure it's a hardcover book, 200 to 500 pages long, that your family doesn't want, because we don't want you to use a book that your family or parents or siblings, whatever, want, because that would be bad. But the next thing you're going to need is a pen, marker, or pencil. I'm using a marker. Well, I used a marker because it was easiest to show up on the paper. The next thing you'll need is a ruler. Any ruler works, doesn't matter, they're all rulers, they're all the same. The next thing you'll need is some rubber cement. I got mine at Ace Hardware, but they sell them at a lot of different places. So yeah, you can get that wherever. And you should also use a bit of wax paper for the rubber cement so it doesn't get all over your nice table. And then the final thing you'll need is some tape, in case you rip a page or two, or 3 or 4, or however many while you're doing this. So that's all we need. Now let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need to do with all of your stuff is, so you're going to use the book. I recommend taking this thing out of, I don't know what it's called, but it's like the thing that makes it, the hardcover thing, whatever. Leave a comment down below if you know what that's called, because I forgot. But so what you're going to do is you're going to open it and you're going to use your pen, marker, or a pencil and your ruler. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your ruler on the very edge of the book and then draw a line where the edge goes. Same for this side and same for the edges until you have a little rectangle. So then what you're going to do after that, you're going to use a, oh my goodness, I forgot. You need a box cutter knife. How could I forget? A box cutter knife is way better because when I was doing my original video yesterday, I attempted to use an X-Acto knife, but a box cutter is 1,000 times better. And so, yeah, we used that. I completely forgot to get it. Don't call me out on that. And so then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to use your box knife and cut that around. Then from there, you've just got your outline. What you're going to do from there is keep cutting and cutting until you're about 50 to 100 pages from the end. Well, you can do that however you want, but the deeper you cut, the more things you can put in. As you can see here, this book is pretty deep. So yeah, pretty deep. And then what you're going to do is, after you cut all that out to your desired page length, trim it a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect, of course, but it's better if you trim it. And the final step you have to do, well, technically final step to do, is your rubber cement. What you're going to do with your rubber cement is you're going to twist off the cap, and it's going to be coated in, it smells horrible. It's going to be coated in the rubber cement, of course. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to just cover everything on the book, the bottom and the sides. And after that, just let it dry for, I'd say overnight, because depending on how much you put on, I put on probably, I think actually I put on the amount I should have, but it will take about overnight. So yeah, I think that's best. And then after that, what you're going to do is, if you need to, just recoat the edges a few times, because sometimes, like even now, it's not quite perfect. simpler than it was before. You have to do it so the pages stick better. And once you're done with that, the final step, of course, is to put this thing, again, leave a comment down below if you know what that's called, I forget, is that you're going to put this back on. And then after that, you'll never know it's a book safe. Guys, would you know if it's a book safe if your friends had this in their shelves and then they open it, it's like, hey, I'm reading. And it's a book safe. I sure wouldn't, but yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a few more DIYs on this channel and a few other things. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to see that. And that's all we have today. And I will see you guys